Go ahead and restart.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We just installed this brand new Minn Kota Ultrex on a Grizzly 1860 tracker center console. Problem now is this foot pedal. While it does work, I don't want to have my knees all kinked up all day long when I'm running this. So we're putting in this recessed foot pedal tray today. So stick with it, stay tuned, and let's jump into there and hopefully figure out where we're going to install that. But that's the goal for today's video. It's a multi-part series. If you missed the trolling motor, go back there, watch that. Up next, foot pedal. Let's go. Somewhere like that, maybe. Jared, do you want to get a cutoff wheel going? And then can you run to the other side and hold that like right in the center of the weld? You right there in the center?
Center of the weld?
Yeah.
Yep.
So 66 1/4. So 33 1/8.
Because it's aluminum, it's gonna melt.
Good.
Yep.
I think that's in the center. I think it's in the center. You only get one shot. Let me check with the center of this guy. It appears it's going through the center of the bolts, so
It has to be pretty damn close.
yeah. So now we need to get a measurement on this guy. So I'm thinking a 10-inch cut should be
Perfect.
5 on each side.
Yeah.
Tell me the size hole you'd cut for this.
Three slashes before 10 inches.
I'll put it at 10.
17.
Yeah, so I did 10 by 17. Let me measure mine. And you can probably cut right on the line because it's right at 10 there. Maybe one slash less than 10. 17 and a half. 17 and a half.
Why'd you do 17 and a half?
Because you
Got
didn't
17.
put it in the corner, that's why.
Oh.
Hook it on there. 17 is still in the middle of the weld.
17's there, 17 has.
Okay, that should be good. Now, Ryan, do you want to hold this on the center of that weld, maybe? Let's go back. Just try to kind of eyeball it. 28 5/8. If we're within 1/4, I'll be pretty happy. 28 5/8.
28 5/8.
6/8. So we're off by 1/8, or if you really centered it, it would be a 16th. Pretty much 7 on the dot. Probably like 6 3/4, 6 7/8, so maybe off by 1/8 again. 4 3/4. Like 4 1/2 there. Something's not. who's to say it's even welded straight
Right.
or bent straight?
I don't know.
That's
The
like
quality of
4.
craftsmanship of everything else has been spot on.
I think we're off by maybe an 1/8. It's nothing.
Big deal.
So looks like it should fit, right?
Yep.
Dead nuts. Yeah.
You want to cut it?
You cut it.
It's your boat. I don't want to.
I don't want
I need
Shield.
You need some glasses.
I'll get my sunglasses and
Well, let me some regular safety glasses. What's your story afterward?
Too easy.
Now you gotta take your time. And we have another sweeper.
Do you have the suitcase one? That'd be so convenient.
Yeah,
Can you run and grab it?
Yeah, I can. That's why I just brought it up. So I'll go get it.
Great work.
that might help some. Hold up, you're going too much at a time.
What's reality? Always question.
There you go.
All right. Dry fit. Woo!
We have those scrap pieces. Let's try one of the screws in it real quick. The only thing he's good for, sweeper boy. Clean up and sweeper boy.
You know, that doesn't hurt my feelings one bit. I'm okay with that.
Milo. Hi, buddy.
Oh, that won't work. Really.
Well, guys, the foot pedal trolling motor foot pedal mount is done. We're starting to mess with some wiring now, kind of doing it all at the same time. But what we did was we cut around. Unfortunately, you have to use a sawzall to cut through the braces here. And then there's some smaller braces up front. These ones here, it's like half tube steel. It's half tube steel, but we've gone ahead and cut through those. We're gonna go pick up some aluminum angle and then just throw it on there. Just extra support. It's really not necessary. I think once we screw in the foot pedal tray, it would be pretty stiff. I mean, it's made of, I'm guessing steel. It's pretty hard. It's pretty hard. It's heavy duty. So we'll see how we go, but it's got 10 screws on there that you can screw down in. We're gonna get some drill bits and then some longer screws and try to drill through there, but we got to get the angle first. So we'll pick up once we get the angle, kind of do that. We're trying to get a fish tape through now for some electrical because it kind of all goes hand in hand, but we'll see where we end up today. So enjoy.
Oh yeah.
Well, guys, we are at kind of a weird stopping point now. What I ended up doing was put some angle behind here to help stiffen up this beam across there. The hole is still open. We're gonna wait and do a drain plug out of the trolling motor foot pedal. That way, if any water gets into that metal foot pedal, it drains out through the bottom and ultimately to the back of the boat. And then we'll use a drain plug at a later time to drain that water. So we're gonna stop here for tonight, but we'll pick up once we get that drain hose and the rubber grommet. But ultimately, kind of a strange event, I guess. It took way more effort than I thought to cut through that, but it's out now. Thoughts?
It was a great time. I'm ready to continue to do more.
Yeah. We'll catch you next time we're working on it.